Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by working where the problem is. Inspect the button and fabric. Thread a needle with doubled thread that matches the blazer. Tie a small knot. Once done, snip any remaining loose threads and save the button. This prevents accidental loss. If the button is damaged, grab the spare now. Pin the area flat so the layers sit naturally. This keeps your stitching even. You're ready to position the button and begin the first secure stitch. You now sew through both garment and button, keeping tension steady so the blazer sits right. Insert the needle from the underside, pull up through the hole, then through the button. Repeat for 6 to 8 passes to build strength. Once the button is anchored, lift it slightly with a toothpick or pin and wrap the thread around the stitches 3 to 5 times to form a shank. This gives fabric room to fasten. Make sure knots are tight and hidden beneath the button. You finish by tying 2 or 3 small knots on the underside, pulling each snug so they sink into the fabric. This prevents loosening. Cut the thread cleanly, and if the blazer needs it, press the area gently to flatten stitches. If the button still moves, make sure the shank has 3-5 wraps and consider using a slightly thicker or doubled thread. If the fabric puckers, remove and resew with looser tension. That troubleshooting quick fix keeps the blazer looking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.